Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
So why didn't you?
It's dangerous. Too far in love, but
He's my best bud.
I
want him to be happy.
Stop! There's two of us.
Hey?
You
scared me?
I scared him?
You know about it?
Hold him there, Toothless.
I can't kill dragons. What are you looking at? Morning, bud.
Be careful with that dragon.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him. I saw myself.
You are going to give me that dragon.
I will never give him up. He's a friend. Toothless! Dragons.
That's what you're worried about?
He's just protecting me. He's not dangerous. Toothless! Come back! Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do for you.